Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I want to share with you how I pay my BIR taxes using Land Bank. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification button to be notified kapag may bago tayo mga videos. So let's start. First, you have to go to bir.gov.ph or pwede rin naman na direkta na kung sa Land Bank kayo magbabayad. So this is the website of Land Bank, lbp-eservices.com. Pero ang gagawin muna natin is ito muna, yung sa bir.gov.ph. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong ePay. Meron silang apat na e-payment gateway na pwede mong magamit. We have Land Bank, we have BankNet, GCash, at saka Union Bank. Itong BankNet at saka GCash, hindi pa siya gumagana ngayon. Pero maybe in the future, you can check na lang. And then Union Bank, I haven't tried this pero siguro once na-try ko na siya, I'll create another video for this. And then Land Bank, pwede mong kung wala kang idea about dito, you can also watch the video na ginawa nila. So, i-click mo lang to, madadirect kayo sa videos nila. Pwede mo rin daw magamit yung ibang bank card kung wala kayong Land Bank. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-try, kaya hindi ko siya mai-recommend. So, you can just ask your BIR or your RDO or pwede rin sa bangko, pwede mo silang tanongin. So, let's start. So, once nandito ka na sa site ng Land Bank, you just have to click Pay Now. And then, madadirect ka dito sa Select Merchant. So, hanapin mo lang yung B para shortcut ka. Hanapin mo yung Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, continue. So, continue ka lang. And then dito, sa payment details, you have to check how much yung babayaran mo. So, depende yan sa taxes na dineclare mo or magkano yung tax na babayaran mo. Ngayon kasi, ang babayaran ko is yung 0605, which is yung renewal ng COR or yung registration fee. So, 500 siya. Put your TIN number. And then, TIN branch code 00000. Ayaw niya kasing tanggapin yung 4 na 0 lang. Kaya ang sabi nila, kailangan 5 daw. And then, form type, hanapin mo yung 0605 kung yun yung babayaran mo. Pero kung halimbawa magbabayad ka ng rental tax, yung rental tax sa form type ang gagamitin mo. O kaya yung compensation, o kaya yung percentage tax mo. And then, tax type, yung 0605, it's registration fee, so hanapin ko is RF. Return period. And then, email address. So, ako kasi, I have separate emails na ginawa para lang sa BIR. So, lahat ng mga related sa BIR ko, isa lang yung email ko doon. Hindi ko siya hinahalo sa, let's say, for example, personal ko o kaya for business. So, nakaseparate siya para mas madaling hanapin. So, mode of payment, ayan. So, dito sa mode of payment, since Land Bank ang gagamitin ko, then click ko lang yung Land Bank. Kung BankNet ang gagamitin mo, click nyo yung BankNet or other banks via PCH Paygate. And then, lagay mo dito yung account number. And then, CAPTCHA. Accept terms and condition, and then continue mo lang. So, once pumasok na siya, may magsisend sa inyo sa number mo kung ano yung naka-register dito or nakalink sa bank mo. Magsisend sila ng one-time password. So, you have to know or you have to make sure na correct yung ilalagay mo dito. Yung sa Jai, yan, 0 lang yung nakalagay. And then yung PIN number mo or yung ATM number, ATM PIN number mo. And then, submit mo lang siya. So, ayan, okay na. Successful na siya. You have successfully paid tax payment to BIR. And then, print mo lang. So, para mayroon kang kopya. So, I have to save this. Ayan. So, if you have questions regarding this, please comment down below. Kung kaya ko siyang sagutin, sasagutin ko siya. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for listening or thank you for watching.